What's up, everyone? In this episode of Market Dial, we're going to cover a few basic topics, recap some of Thursday's picks, and cover our 7 top stocks for Friday. So if you missed the news today, Putin is starting to look pretty weak compared to his claims that he was going to swiftly seize the capital of Ukraine in a matter of days, and obviously it has backfired on him immensely. He is seeing extreme casualties. The cost of war for him is very high. He's making claims such as he doesn't need Western buyers for his oil. The buyers that he has is enough. Obviously, these ludicrous claims are a save face type move. He doesn't want to look weak, obviously so. So I personally believe that Vladimir Putin, being the man that he is, he might try to flex a muscle here soon. First on the list is HOSA, and on Thursday we saw highs of 988 compared to the closing price of 734 before it started consolidating in an upward channel. And I really am interested in the stock here because this has shown very, very, very good squeeze potential. Not too long ago we were trading at about $18, and we've also saw lows in the 4s and the 5s. So I think that if this sort of hype continues, watch for consolidation before the market opens today, and this could become a very good potential here. Someone asked what we thought about NINE as an energy company compared to stocks that are similar. And what I would like to mention is we've been covering this stock particularly for at least a few trading days now, and this is very similar to a lot of the other stocks that we've been covering, so I have no problem putting this on my watch list for Friday because it shows a lot of potential, much like the dozens of other companies that we've seen reacting similarly to the price in oil. Someone also asked about USCG, and the same thing goes for USCG as NINE and HUSA and many others. The only difference, though, between NINE and USCG is this one crashed a little bit harder to what I noticed to be a more obvious region of support before having a more aggressive reversal in this little breakout channel that we saw here before the day ended on Thursday. So I think that this also is a very similar setup to NINE. We've also been covering HYMC very closely the last few trading days, and on Thursday it closed almost at the high for the day in the last few trading days, and a long time actually. So I would personally recommend that if you've not thought about limiting your risk and taking some of those profits, this might be a good time to do so because it is Friday, and a big trademark of the Friday trading session is that people like to take their profits. They don't like to hold over the weekend because it's always risky. So I'm still watching this closely for more potential. If this dumps a whole lot in the morning, I might get back in and ride it up a little bit more before I trade out. My brother Daniel is going to hop on here for the next couple of stocks and update you a little bit about ASDS and one of the more interesting setups that we also have located for Friday.
What's up, guys? It's Daniel again. Next on our list is ORTH, which recently announced its treatment for a rare lysosomal disorder had been rejected. Then yesterday, it tanked about 50% on news that it would be doing an in-court restructuring and that it would delist from the NASDAQ soon. With such bad news, you may be wondering why this is even on our list. So it's getting delisted. However, in situations like these, we can sometimes find good intraday trading opportunities while it is still listed. However, I don't think that you would want to hold this overnight because it's quite risky. Next on our list is LGVN. Also, to the side here, we have MOHO, which we covered the other day. So LGVN popped up pretty high before falling back down on what looks like support of an upward channel, which looks pretty good for Friday. To recap yesterday, MOHO is still trading in that tight channel that we mentioned, but it's lacking the volume that we're looking for, so it's not going to be on our list. So next on our list is ASTS, which we alerted yesterday at 888, and it's now consolidating in the mid-9s. So this is looking pretty promising for Friday with its momentum.
So I hope you like Daniel's coverage of ASTS, ORPH, and LGVN, as well as his recap of MOHO from yesterday's picks. Now we can go ahead and get to the last stock on our list, which is CISO. Yesterday, CISO saw a volume of just over 700,000, which is pretty low compared to average volume on the stock. It did happen to be just enough to keep the stock moving in the right direction. I do think that over the next couple of weeks, we're going to continue seeing this uptrend. So to all the naysayers out there, I just would like to let you know, we're definitely watching. That's all we got for you today. If you like this video, definitely subscribe to our channel if you want to see more. If you want to stay up to date with our latest videos or announcements that we may have on this page, turn the notifications on. And if you're interested in seeing something that we may not be covering right now, covered in a future video, go ahead and comment down below. Let us know what you think, and we'll try to get it covered for you.